How to change the display color style, whether it's vivid or natural, as well as the theme style. This is the Amazfit Balance smartwatch or other Amazfit smartwatches. Let's go ahead and dive into where to go to change these. While viewing the clock face like this here, you'll swipe down from the very top until you see these toggles. You'll look for the settings option right here. You'll tap on that one time, and from here on, you will see all the settings options and go down to where it says display right here. Tapping on display here will show you all these different display settings. Then you'll go down to where it says screen color style. This will give you two options, the vivid and the natural. And of course, if you want your colors super vivid, I would say stick with the vivid one here, all right? And of course, once you've made your selection, just tap on it here. It says switch successfully. Then you can come back again here to the clock face once again and go down, go to settings, then go back to the display here, and you will see where it has the theme style, which is under the screen color style. So we'll go here now, and this is basically the style of your icons here in terms of the color layout for you. So you got default, business, and vibrant. So if you want it to stand out, you can go with vibrant, and you'll notice how they look a bit different for each one of them that you navigate through. Okay, and it's up to you to make that decision here. And once you select it, it'll say switch successfully, and you can come back and change these at any given time. So like and sub.